Mastering transitions. Elevate your English writing. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our comprehensive guide to mastering English language. Today, we're going to focus on a very important aspect of formal writing: transition words and phrases. These linguistic gems add flow and cohesion to your writing, making it more professional and easier to read. So, let's dive right in. Transition words and phrases are like bridges in your sentences. They help your reader to smoothly move from one idea to the next, enhancing the flow and clarity of your writing. In formal writing, transition words are absolutely essential. They not only improve the structure and coherency of your text, but they also make your writing more sophisticated and polished. Examples of formal transition words and phrases include however, in addition, therefore, and on the other hand. Now, let's look at these in more detail. Transition words and phrases can serve various purposes. Here are some categories they fall into, along with examples. Addition or agreement. These include words like furthermore, moreover, in addition, and not only but also. Contrast or opposition. Here we find however, on the other hand, in contrast, and despite this. Cause or purpose. Examples are therefore, hence, in order to, and for this reason. Effect or result. This group includes as a result, consequently, therefore, and thus. Sequence or time. Examples are firstly, subsequently, eventually, and finally. Understanding these categories can help you choose the right word or phrase to effectively link your ideas. It's not enough just to know these transition words and phrases. It's equally important to use them correctly. Let's take a look at a few examples. However, I like the color blue. However, my sister prefers red. In addition, reading enhances our knowledge. In addition, it improves our vocabulary. Therefore, she didn't study for the test. Therefore, she failed. On the other hand, I enjoy playing tennis. On the other hand, my friend likes football. Remember, the appropriate use of these transition words and phrases can elevate the quality of your formal writing significantly. That's it for today, learners. Remember, the art of writing is a skill that can be developed over time. By adding transition words and phrases to your repertoire, you are one step closer to mastering formal English writing. Keep practicing, stay curious, and continue learning. Until next time, happy writing!